Hello all, in this video we gonna to install both SQL Server and SQL Server Management Studio. Let's get into the video. So we all know that SQL is a structured query language which is used to communicate with the server. If I am speaking English, Telugu, Kannada or any other language, you can understand. But if I want to speak with server and ask the server if I want to provide my information to the server, so we use a tool called SQL. So where we can structure our query and we can talk to the server. If we want to store our data, manage our data and update our data, and if you are learning like SQL, there are multiple options like MySQL, Oracle, Amazon RDS, Google Cloud SQL, PostgreSQL, Google BigQuery, Snowflakes, and there are many, but many companies use the Microsoft SQL Server. They use the particular DBMS, this Microsoft DBMS. So Microsoft SQL Server is one of the best SQL Server to store the data, table to create tables and all. So to communicate with this Microsoft SQL Server, we need a software called SQL Server Management Studio. So it acts as a GUI to communicate with Microsoft SQL Server. SQL Server Management Studio acts as a like software client. By using this client, we gonna connect or access the SQL Server database engine. However, this server uses your own laptop storage up to 7 GB. So we'll show step by step how to install the both SQL Server and SQL Server Management Studio in your laptop. But the storage is used by your own laptop storage as a server, like 7 GB it can be used. So first open the browser in your laptop. Search for the SQL Server downloads. So this is the official page of Microsoft SQL Server. If you go below, you can see various types of server here. So you can see there are 4 types of servers here. That one is on-premises, Azure, and developer and Express type. So this on-premises and SQL Server on Azure, these both are used for big MNC companies. In case of developer, it is only for students or developers for testing R&D or for learning. But it is for only like a non-production environment and testing, but not suitable for production environment. So this Express type is suitable for a production environment. So we're gonna choose SQL Server Express Edition for better performance. So here you can click the download now button. So the SQL application will be downloaded here. You can open the open file. There are 3 types of there, so I can choose basic one. Here I will choose accept. This is the file path where your file is located. If you want, you can change in browser. Just install it. So the package being installing. It takes like 2 or 3 minutes. I just pause this video. So it is downloaded, but again it went for installing. It may take 2 3 minutes. I will pause this video. So it got successfully installed. Installation has completed successfully. And now we're gonna install SSMS. So here only they have given the install SSMS button. So if you just click on that SSMS, it directs to the page of SSMS page, that is SQL Server Management Studio. So if you go below, you'll get the SQL Server Management Studio 22. What 22 is the version number. So 22 is gives better performance. So if I click that button, the download will appear. So you can check in download history. After downloaded, if you open the file, it goes to the Visual Studio installer. Once the process gets completed, it asks you some AI assistant this and all. You can just ignore and click install the side button. It, please note that the storage whatever it is, it's take from your laptop only. Now install. So again, this SSMS going to download for 725 MB. So I'm gonna pause this video. So SQL Server Management Studio is successfully downloaded. It is getting installing. It is in 99%. So it so the software got installed successfully. Now it's asking to restart the computer. So just click OK. So it will get to restart. So after restart, you can see SQL Server Management Studio is installed successfully. You can log in later. Right now, I don't want this anything, so I just skip and add accounts later. So it is running in background. So the SQL Server Management Studio is successfully installed and it got to open. So here we have to give a name. For that, we have to go for system information of your laptop. So you can just copy the system name here. So I'm gonna use here my uh, snipping tool to copy this name. You can just click Windows key, Shift key, and T. So the text will be copied here. I want only this name, so here I'm gonna copy this one and paste it in the server name here. And after entering your name, just you put slash and enter SQL Express, because it is the Express server. So you have to enter the SQL Express name here. After that, just click on the trust server certificate here and encrypt as mandatory. And the database name, let it be default. There are four database here. Just I choose the default one, and you can just click connect. Once you click connect, it will get access to your SQL Server. So you can see it got connected. For new query, just click here new query. So you will get here prompt to enter. So you can enter your values here, whatever data you want to feed in the server. It directly goes to the SQL Server. That is the server. It is in a laptop. The off storage uses your laptop storage only. So whatever table you want to create, you can use the scripting options here. There are command called create database. MyTube. So create database is a command to create your database. So I'm using MyTube as a name. After selecting the script, just enter execute. So you can see the commands completed successfully. I think it's visible to you now. But the MyTube database is not shown here. After refresh, you will get the MyTube database here. You can see MyTube here. If you expand this one, you can see the tables here. So or whatever tables you want to create, you can create here. So you can use your MyTube database here by clicking here, or else you can use it as a script as use MyTube. You can see automatically MyTube will get here. You can click here simply. Just select this script, undo execute. And you can see the comments completed successfully. You can use this same script to use your database here. So here the video is going to end here. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.